Good morning everyone! Nandito ako ngayon sa Antel Grand Village at meron tayong isang gem, our house and lot with a total lot area of 85 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathroom, and a fully fenced facing the morning sun at move-in ready. Konting polish, refurbished, but you know, ang ganda ng community dito kasi lahat dito sa Antel ay solo houses, wala dito ang townhouse. And right now, titingnan natin itong napakagandang Morning Sun property, no, selling in the market for 5.5 million pesos. Yes, tama po ang inyong narinig. Selling for 5.5 million pesos. So, before we start, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button, click that bell button to get notified for whenever we release new Facebook videos and YouTube videos, even in TikTok video. Now guys, alright, so let's dive inside. So upon entering, so you have a green over here and then a parking space. And right now, ganito siya. Ayan, alright. So, meron kang ganay doon and then access. Papunta doon sa inyong service kitchen. At ganito, yung pinaka-front. So, meron ka ditong green and garden. So, pwede ka dito maglagay ng chair tables. And right now, marami lang siyang mga dahong laya. Ayan. Pero guys, di ba pa-appraise natin? This is appraisal, matas ang appraisal na to because of the conformity of the area. Okay. So, medyo kailangan lang ba itong ayusin? At konting polish lang yan and repaints. Pero for me, okay, gem na po ito. O, dito lalo sa Antel Grand Village dahil mostly sa mga property dito for sale, mataas ang value. Okay. So, ranging yung property dito like 7.5 million pesos mataas. And right now, it is below market. And dito sa ibaba, you have the powder room. This is the powder room. Room area and then ito yung pinaka-extension ng kitchen dito sa likuran. Pakita natin. So, linisan lang to at saka i-repaint. Ito yung likod na portion. Okay, so tingnan natin sa itaas. Alright. Okay, dito sa itaas, dito yung bedroom. So, vacation house, check. Ang ganda ng amenities, no? Dito sa Antel Grand Village. Kasi meron tayong 11 swimming pools. 11 swimming pools. 9 basketball court and tennis court. Sa itaas, you have a common bath. So, palitan nila yung tiles at saka mga fixtures. Okay. Then, right here, the first bedroom. So, may cabinet na yan siya. Ayan. Okay. So, ganito. High ceiling. 180 ang floor area. Then this is the second bedroom with bathroom. Okay. So ito siya guys. Ayan. So you have a shared bathroom. So dito sa side na to, you have a shared bathroom. Tingnan natin sa third floor. So, dito sa side na to, you have 2 rooms again. Ayan siya. The third bedroom. And right. A bathroom. And then additional bedroom. So, 4 bedrooms. 3-story property. Tingnan nyo ang neighborhood dito guys. Ang ganda ng neighborhood. Buksan natin. Oo, ang sa ngayon. So, ganito ang inyong magiging neighborhood, no? Everyday. Dito sa Antel Grand Village. Right, so baba tayo. Right guys, no? Okay, so before we end, thank you so much to the seller. Anyway, no, this one with a total lot area of 85 square meters, selling in the market for 5.5 million pesos. If you're interested, anyone interested to buy and check out this property, contact us today on the numbers visible on the screen. So my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much and God bless everybody.